velocity time graph or VT graph. For motion along a straight line, velocity time graph and speed time graph are the same. To plot velocity time graph, we take velocity along y-axis and time along x-axis. Now we are going to discuss about velocity time graphs under different conditions. Case 1. Velocity time graph for a uniform motion. For a linear uniform motion of an object, the velocity of the object does not change with the time. So, velocity time graph is a straight line parallel to the time axis. Next one. Determination of distance covered from the velocity time graph for a uniform motion. In a velocity time graph, the distance covered or magnitude of displacement is given by the area enclosed by velocity time graph and the time axis. We know that for a uniform motion along a straight line, v equal to s by t, that is velocity equal to displacement by time. Then displacement equal to velocity into time. In other words, the product of velocity and time gives the displacement of the moving object in that time. Magnitude of displacement is equal to the distance covered by the object for motion along a straight line. Hence, area enclosed by velocity time graph can be taken as the distance covered by a moving object. Let an object move with a constant velocity v between times t1 and t2. Positions a and b on the graph correspond to the times t1 and t2 respectively. Draw normals AC and BD from the points A and B on the time axis. The distance moved by the object in time t2 minus t1 is given by S equal to, that is displacement equal to area of the rectangle ABDC equal to AC into CD equal to V into T2 minus T1. For a uniform motion along a straight line, the magnitude of displacement or distance covered by an object is given by the area under the velocity time graph for the specified period of time. From the graph, we get V equal to 20 meter per second, T1 equal to 1 second and T2 equal to 5 seconds. Then the distance equal to velocity into time, that is 20 into T2 minus T1 equal to 5 minus 1 equal to 4. 20 into 4 equal to 80 meter. Thus we get the distance covered by an object. Next one. Calculation of acceleration from the velocity time graph for uniform motion. In this graph, we can see that the velocity is not changing with time. So, acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity. In this case, the change in velocity is equal to 0. Then the acceleration is also 0. For uniform motion, the acceleration of an object is 0. From the graph, we get change in velocity equal to 20 minus 20 equal to 0. The acceleration equal to 0. So, acceleration for uniform motion is equal to 0.